welcome all of you on my YouTube channel once again. Friends, I hope today you are very much excited to learn this shortcut because this shortcut is going to prove be a kind of Brahmastra, because here I am going to teach maximum and minimum value which are asked from this trigonometric chapter only. What if someone asked you to find these 7 questions, this set of 7 questions in just a span of 2 to 3 seconds only? Will you able to do? If yes, please pause the video and comment in the comment section below, and do let me know how much time you took for solving these finding maximum and minimum value for these 7 questions. I will be ready to interpret all your answers. Friends, today I am going to tell you a super shortcut which is going to prove a kind of Brahmastra for you to find the minimum and maximum value in these kind of tough problems where a student get clean bold. See, 4 sin square theta plus 5 cos square theta, cos 3 theta into cos sin 3 theta into cos 3x to whole power 3, sin square x plus cos to the power 4x, 7 cos x plus 5 sin x. Similarly, the other 3 problems. So friends, let us move over to the shortcut which I am going to say you in a few minutes. Friends, we are starting with a new series called #shortcut, in which I cover the shortcuts of almost all the chapters which are asked in the top competitive examinations like NDA, Air Force, Navy, CTET, JEE and many more national level examinations. So friends, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, and because in future we are going to learn a lot amount of shortcut. I am going to bring around 150 shortcut in entire max chapters, and from these shortcuts questions are directly appearing in the examinations. So we will learn this shortcut for today. So in this we are going to learn about this maxima and minima as I mentioned earlier. So this is going to be our type 1 question, and in this type of question I will put it in a rectangular box, the trick one. So in this type of questions, when question is coming in this format only, a sin square x plus b cos square x, then find the maximum and minimum value. For example, I would take few examples also. Then whichever is greater in a and b, if b is greater, then b will become what? M plus means it is maximum, and a will become minimum. But if a is greater, then a will become maximum and b will become minimum. Once again I will repeat, if question is coming as a sin square x plus b cos square x, then whichever is greater in a and b, that will become maximum. Whichever is smaller, that will become minimum. See, it is written here. For better understanding, I would take one example from this one. For example, question is find the maximum and minimum value in 2 sin square x plus 3 cos square x. Now we need to see this a and b, which is greater, 2 or 3. So 3 is greater, so 3 is our maximum and 2 is our minimum. See how in very few seconds only you cracked, in just 1 second only you cracked. So now we are moving on to our second type which are appearing in the exam. Again I will put it in a rectangular box. So again, if question is coming in this format, sin x into cos x to the whole power n, if this format question is coming, then maximum value is simply half to the power whatever this is n. But for minimum value you need to be alert. Minimum value, if n is odd, then minimum value is minus of whatever comes as your maximum value. That is minimum value if n is odd. But if n is even, but if the same n becomes even, then minimum value is simply 0. Just 1 second answer, simply 0. Just by seeing the option itself you will tick the minimum value in this case if n is even. So for better understanding I would take one example. Example is right in front of your screen. Find maximum, m plus means maximum, m minus means minimum, in sin 2x into cos 2x. See, if nothing is in the power, then what is in the power? 1 is in the power. So here what will be the maximum value? Half to the power n. What is n? N is 1. So half to the power 1, which is equal to half. What is minimum? Here n is odd, so minus of maximum is minimum. So we will put minus of half, it will become minus half. See how simple it was. It took just 1 second to find out the answer for this. So in examination you will tick the answer in front of your in the examinations. Then coming over to the type 3, which I am going to tell you. Again I will put it in a rectangular box and I will explain you. If question is coming as sine to the power 2nx plus cos to the power 2mx, here the power is come in the multiplication of 2, then what is the answer? So in this case, for finding maximum value is directly 1, and for minimum value put angle 45 degree in place of x. That's all. This is the required answer. For better understanding I would take one example so that you can understand better. Example is see, they are asking in this case sin square x plus cos square x. In this case they are asking maximum and minimum. So maximum, what I told you, whenever it is coming in the multiple of 2, maximum value is simply close your eye and just tick the answer 1. So here answer is 1. But for minimum value put the angle 45 degree in place of x. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and put it square, plus 1 by, again cos 45 is 1 by root 2, again put it square. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which will become again 1. So this both are maximum and minimum value. I hope you would have enjoyed this trick. Then now we are moving with type 4 trick. This trick is again very much interesting. I will put it in a rectangular box. So this trick is applicable only when question is in this format only. A secant square theta plus b cosecant square theta. Here it should come in secant and cosecant square combination. Then here to find minimum value, only to find minimum, not to find maximum value. To find minimum value, what you will do, whatever is a, just under root that, and whatever is b, just under root that, and add both and just put whole square for that. For better understanding, already I told you that I will take example. See, an example is right in front of your screen. If question is coming as 9 secant square theta plus 25 cosecant square theta, then what is minimum value? Just take under root of 9, so it will become 3, under root of 25, which will become 5, so 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 square is 664 is our required answer. See how simple it is. Then now we are moving with type 5. In this I'll put it again in the square box. So this can be applied only when question is in this format, a sin theta plus b cos theta. So in this case maximum value will be simply root of a square plus b square, and minimum value will be simply minus of root of whatever comes as maximum value, which is root of a square plus b square. For better understanding, one example is right in front of your screen. Find maximum value and minimum value in 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. See, again for maximum, root of 3 square plus 4 square, which will become 9 plus 16, so which will become root of 25, which is equal to 5. See, we got maximum value as 5, and for minimum value minus of maximum value, which is called minus of root 25, which is equal to minus 5. Very simple, just 1 second answer. Then we are moving with last and final type for finding maximum and minimum value. And when question is coming in this format, a tan square theta plus b cot square theta, or a sin square theta plus b cosecant square theta, or a cos square theta plus b secant square theta. Here both the trigonometric should be reciprocal of each other, then only you can apply this shortcut. Then for finding, here in this case, if a is greater than, here we will get two cases. One case is here and another case is here. In first case, if a is greater than b, then maximum value is simply infinity, and if b is greater than a, then again maximum value is infinity. So maximum value is infinity in both the case, either if a or b is greater. But for minimum value we will have few changes. If a is greater, then the changes is going to be 2 root of ab. This is in the case of minimum value. Another thing, again, if b is greater than a, then we are going to have minimum value as a plus b. Whatever is this, both a plus b, this is going to be the minimum value. So for better understanding, I will take few examples so that you can understand it to a great extent. Here first example I have taken as 3 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta. Here maximum value is simply infinity, as I told you earlier. But for minimum value, see here b is greater than a. If b is greater than a, then minimum value is going to be very much simple. You add this both, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So here this is the minimum value. So friends, I hope you would have enjoyed the video, and I have few homework questions for you which you need to solve and comment in the answer below. These 7 questions which are appearing on the screen, you need to answer these 7 questions and comment on the comment section below. So I am ready to interpret all your answer, and the top answer which will be given by you will be pinned by me for the upcoming videos. And do comment in the comment section that on which topic you want the next videos, so that I will be making those videos in advance itself to be prepared for the next video. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe this channel to get further updates. And if you are hardcore aspirant of those exams which I mentioned, and any of your friends are preparing, please share the video with them, and it is going to be a kind of great help to them. Thank you for tuning till the end. Jai Hind.